Hello, good evening and welcome to this video presentation. Good evening, good morning and good afternoon, depending on when and where you're watching this video from. So in this particular video, I'll be walking you through on how you can upgrade your account. Yes, how you can upgrade your account from any level you are, even if you want to register and upgrade directly from level 1 to level 2 to level 3 to level 4 to level 5 to level 6. In this video presentation tutorial, you're going to get the knowledge on how to do this. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, do well to click on the subscribe button, like this video and drop a comment on any video that you would like me to do concerning the RideBNB or the Global Billionaires Network. All right, so let's get started. This is one of my accounts. I think you should be an ambassador. Let me log in. So you go to this explore below here, you click on this explore and you click on this point. Yes, so you click on it and you'll be able to open the browser. So I'll be using this particular link, already is saved here, and I believe everyone that have registered will have the link there to log in. So I click on go in order to log into the back office. So I will click on go, but in a case whereby you do not see that go, you can just click on let me go back. In a case where you do not see the go, but I believe you should see go there, so click on this. That go must be there, you understand, because this is safe file, it's the same thing. So you just click here, you search for OPBNB, right? So this is OPBNB. I just click on it. So the second one is OPBNB, which is the Binance coin. So I will click on it and it will just take me in to the back office. So remember that if you cannot do, in fact, let me just use the word, there is the two ways you can do this upgrade. Is either you do it through the back office here or you do it in the blockchain. You understand? So I think I'll be doing a video on that later on how you can do the upgrade from the blockchain. So the next thing you need to do here is to click on this. You understand? So the reason why I will do that video is because the business we are doing is a fully decentralized business, and in a case whereby you are not able to log in through this browser, so click on this login. Every other activities continues on the blockchain. So when you click on this login here, it's going to open. Yeah, I logged out. Okay, let me log in again. All right, I'm in. Yes, so this is my account. This one I registered it when did I register it? On February, yes, February 26th, I registered this account. So, and it's an ambassador. So what you will do is make sure you have the fund. Like for example, if I'm going to Pioneer now, I must have 0.0528 on my wallet in order to do this upgrade. So make sure the level you're upgrading to, you have the money in your wallet. So you just click on this. If you want to do upgrade of 2 from, let's say, from level 1 to level 4 or 5, just tap. Let me just show you. So tap on this Pioneer. Yes, you see it has marked good. Let me show you. It has marked good here, you understand? So you tap on this if you want to upgrade the 2 at once. So you tap on this. Sorry, I mistakenly click on that upgrade green button. So do you see what I did here? So I tap on this, and if you want to take the next one, you just tap on it. So when you are tapping, the money will be adding here. Remember that you cannot jump any level, you understand? The money will be adding here. Are you seeing it? So if I should remove this one, the money reduces. And another thing is that you cannot, let's say this is Pioneer, right? You cannot tap on Mentor. It is not possible. You must tap on Pioneer before you can tap on Mentor. As you can see, you can tap on Champion like that, provided you have the money. Just tap all of them. You click on this upgrade, you understand, and you'll be able to upgrade, confirm with your PIN and password, and that is all that is. And that is all that you need in order to upgrade your account to the next level. Thank you for watching this video, and as I said earlier, do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, and like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also drop your comment on any video that you want me to do for you, either concerning RideBNB, Global Billionaires Network, or any blockchain program that we are into. All right, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.